Good morning, children. Yesterday we revised some bit of group 15 elements and we revised nitrogen, general physical properties. Today I will tell you about phosphorus. There are three allotropic forms of phosphorus: white phosphorus, red phosphorus, black phosphorus. The white phosphorus is a translucent waxy solid. It is poisonous. It is insoluble in water but soluble in carbon disulfide. It has a special property that it glows in dark, and this property is known by the name of chemiluminescence. It is having very less ignition temperature. If it is kept at the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius even, it catches fire. It reacts with boiling NaOH to give a very toxic gas that is called PH3 with sodium hydrogen phosphide. If we see the structure of it, it exists in the form of a P4. It is very reactive because it is having weak van der Waals forces and there is an angular strain of 60 degrees. It reacts with atmospheric oxygen to give phosphorus pentaoxide. Again I will tell that I have written P4O10, but it is phosphorus pentaoxide because the atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Then the second allotropic form is red phosphorus. It is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 573 Kelvin in inert atmosphere. This does not glow in dark. It is not soluble. It is soluble in water and carbon disulfide. It is having greyish red luster, but it does not glow in dark. It exists in the form of polymeric structure and all the bonds are covalent bonds. It is not having van der Waals forces at all. The third allotropic form is known by the name of black phosphorus. There are two types of black phosphorus, alpha black and beta black. When the red phosphorus is heated in a sealed tube at 803 Kelvin, there is a formation of alpha black phosphorus. Its crystals are rhomboidal in shape and it is insoluble in water. Then there is a beta black phosphorus. It is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 473 Kelvin. It even does not react with air. The next compound of phosphorus is phosphine. It is a very toxic gas. The first method for the preparation of phosphine is the reaction of white phosphorus with boiling NaOH. There will be formation of PH3 and sodium hydrogen phosphide. The second method of preparation is reaction of calcium phosphide Ca3P2 with water. There will be formation of calcium hydroxide and phosphine. Or calcium phosphide can be treated with HCl to give calcium chloride and phosphine. This phosphine is non-inflammable when it is pure, but it catches fire if there is a presence of P2H4 or P4 vapors. Then it is only reacted with water to give, or it is absorbed in HI to give phosphonium iodide. This phosphonium iodide react with alkali with KOH to give potassium iodide and phosphine. It is a toxic gas. It is having very rotten smell. This phosphine is used for detecting the or providing the signal to ships. Now I will tell you about the chemical properties of phosphine. Then I will teach you about the nitric acid.